In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business dashboard in Notion. We're going to build a simple but powerful workspace that helps you manage the key parts of your business in one place. The goal here is not to make something overly complicated. It's to create a dashboard you can actually use every week to stay clear, organized, and focused on what matters most. Start by creating your main business dashboard in Notion. This will be the central page where everything connects. Think of it as your command center. Give it a clear title and keep the layout clean so it feels easy to navigate. A good dashboard should help you see the big picture at a glance without making you feel overwhelmed. Next, add a section for your business goals, priorities, and focus areas. This is where you define what you're working toward and what deserves your attention right now. Your goals give direction, your priorities help you decide what matters most, and your focus areas keep you from getting distracted by tasks that look urgent but don't really move the business forward. Keep this section visible so you can check in with it often. After that, create a project tracker for your business initiatives. This is where you organize the actual work that supports your goals. Add your current projects and structure them in a way that makes progress easy to follow. This tracker should help you see what's active, what's waiting, and what's already complete. Keeping projects separate from goals is helpful because goals show the outcome, while projects show the execution. Then add a CRM section for clients, leads, or customers. This gives you one place to track the people connected to your business. Whether you're following up on opportunities or managing existing relationships, having a dedicated database makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid missing important details. Keep it simple at first and expand it only as needed. Next, create a content tracking area for marketing ideas, content, or campaigns. If you create content regularly, this section will help you capture ideas before they disappear and keep your marketing efforts consistent. It also makes it easier to see what you've already published and what's coming next. From there, add a simple income and expense tracker for your finances. This doesn't need to be complicated. The purpose is to give you basic visibility into money coming in and money going out, so you can make better business decisions over time. Finally, review everything weekly to stay focused. This step is what makes the dashboard truly useful. Use your weekly review to look at your goals, check your projects, update your CRM, review content plans, and glance at your finances. When you build the habit of reviewing your business in one place, you create more clarity, better consistency, and stronger momentum.